Well, hello everyone. Welcome to Rat Dog Bicycles. This is the next to the final segment of this cheap bike build off 2026. I forgot the paperwork on the list of how much it actually cost to build this. I changed the rims out and spokes for these black ones instead of white ones. Let's see, I got new pedals. Also got some rear pegs for it. I also got the new seat, new hand grips. What else did I have? The brake lever, the cable. What else did I do? I got V-brakes put on it. I didn't quite do the brakes the original way. I just kind of wanted to make it like a cruiser, and you could do some tricks on it or something. Small tricks. But I think it cost me around $91 to put this together. So I thought it came out pretty nice. Does have some battle scars on it. Here on the front tube. Don't know if you can see it in the picture. It's got some on this drop tube down here. I was thinking about painting it black and, you know, kind of cover up the scars, but I decided to keep them on there. It's got some on this near the head tube, and they got some back here by the peg. Kept the same cranks and stuff, like I probably already said that, but I'll make one more little short video of how much it cost me to put it together. I'm in the park and I forgot the paperwork, but I guess I'll see y'all later, and y'all have a great day. Bye bye.